Hey my loves! Welcome back to my channel. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms, nanay, to all the mamas out there, to all the dads that works and function as a mom, to all your moms, your sisters, your friends who are celebrating Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. For today's video, it's going to be a vlog of our family photo shoot for Mother's Day. So I'm going to bring you guys for a little adventure and show you the behind the scenes of our photo shoot, our getting ready, how I did this makeup look, and a lot more. So if you guys are interested to see the behind the scenes and to watch the makeup tutorial for this makeup look, then keep on watching.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I are safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't ever know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
So we're just getting ready and almost done and leaving. And look at my Kai Kai here. First time curling her hair. Do you like it, Kai Kai? You're welcome. Guys, ooh, look how you guys are excited and ready for the photo shoot. Oh, let's go, Dada. Let's go.
Let's go, Dada. Hurry. Let's wait for Dada. Let's go.
Yay, we're leaving now. Where are we going, Kai Kai?
Have a picture.
Pictures. Gonna have a photo shoot. Are you excited? Yay! Wow, look at your guys' dresses. Kai Kai. Look at the swing. So nice. This is my dress. Look at their wardrobe. These right there. Oh my goodness, look at these. Just doing a test shot now. Looks like they're having fun. We all know that being a mom is the hardest job in the world, and yet it's the most rewarding. Just seeing our kids grow and having the hugs and kisses from them. So for all the moms out there and watching right now, I hope you're having a wonderful Mother's Day. We all deserve to feel special because we do a lot for our kids and our families. So make sure to pamper yourself and find some time for self-care and self-love. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more vlogs like this, let me know down in the comments. And I hope to see you guys next week. Take care and keep safe.